So we have 6 to the power of x plus 6 to the power of x plus 6 to the power of x all over 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x equals 36. Now let's solve it. First, we're going to factorize we're asked to look for the value for x. Okay, so from here we have already factorized what's common. So what we have is this. So we're going to divide both sides, okay, by the inverse of 3 over 2. So this is going to be 2 over 3 equals 36.2 over 3. From here, this cancels this, this cancels this, and 3 here is 1 and 3 here is 12. Alright, so 6 to the power of x here gives us 24. We're going to apply the law of indices that says once the two bases are raised to the same power, we can write them or represent them as this, like so. So we're going to be doing that here. So we have 6 over 2 all to the power of x equals 24. Now next thing we're going to do is to take the log of both sides. Take the log of both sides. So in doing that, we have this here, log 6 over 2 all to the power of x equals log 24. Okay, now if we divide this, we have 3. So this gives us log 3 to the power of x equals log, we can represent this as 8.3. So this power goes behind, and then we have this. Okay, following the law of logarithm, when we have the multiplication sign, we can represent it as plus, alright, and splitting them like so. Now we divide through by log 3. This gives us x log 8 over log 3 plus log 3 over log 3. So this gives us 1, and we're left with, we can write it this way, log 8 over log 3. Okay, we can also express this in this way. So this can also be written as x equal to 1 plus log 2 to the power of 3 all over log 3. Okay, and then we can also write it as this 3 can go behind, and we have log 2, alright, all over log 3. We can also still write it as 1 plus 3 log 2 base 3, like this, as the value for x. Now we want to check. We want to find out if this satisfies this equation. Remember our equation. So we found what the value of x is. Let's put the value of x in the equation. Now let's go from here. Alright, so remember our question is 6 to the power of x plus 6 to the power of x all over 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x equals 36. And we went further to say, let's factorize them. You're familiar with the steps already. Okay, so yeah. Okay. Then remember we did some quick division. Right, where this cancelled and this gave us 12, and we had this all to the power of x, remember? So this is where we'll be dealing with. So 6 over 2 all to the power of x equals 36. 2 strikes this and gives us 3. Okay, now remember the value for x is this, so we're going to substitute that here. 1 plus 3 log 2 base 3, okay, equals we've divided, so we don't have 36 again, we have 24. Sorry about that. Okay, so we have 24. Now this gives us 3 to power 1. When we are trying to share this base to the both powers, it will no longer be this, it will be the dot product. Okay, so now we're going to be taking this power back to where it has always been. Looks familiar, right? Now remember, this has a law guiding it, which says when a base is carrying a power, right, a log power, and the base is same as the base of the power, then the final answer is B. You get it? So if we have this, it means from here our answer is 2 to the power of 3. So we have 3 to the power 1 dot 2 to the power of 3 equals 24. And you know 3 to the power 1 is 3 dot 2 to the power 3 is 8, and this 3 times 8 will give us 24 equals 24. So this means that the value for x satisfies this beautiful equation, Olympiad equation. Alright, so if you've watched up to this very point, it means you've gained lots and lots of value. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, alright? And remember to join my membership, because there are lots of good perks that you can enjoy and benefit, alright? Perks like members only videos, members only live stream, members only shorts. Yes, you can enjoy things like that if you join my membership. So please do well to do so, and see you all in my next one. Love you all, and bye for now.